Boom shakalaka, with the Bitcoin crypto executive order pump pretty much wiped off the books. Today's video, we're going to be taking a look at why Bitcoin is following the 2017 peak even more closely than you would at first think, and some other interesting charts we should all take a look at. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at Bitcoin and some interesting charts. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Also come join us over on Twitter at the Crypto Love. Now, today, Bitcoin in fear still. We're not extreme fear like yesterday, but we're in fear. And the price, well, across the board, pretty much down about 8% today. We basically lost whatever we gained yesterday from the Yellen leak of the executive order. Bitcoin right now at 39,117, Ethereum 25.86, BNB at 3.76, XRP 73 cents, Terra Luna $94, Cardano 80 cents, Solana $82, and Avalanche $72. And if you want to know the top coins today, outpacing Bitcoin on Gate.io by 967%. Well, the top coins today would be Tether Gold, Maple, Waves, Terra Luna, and Kyber Network Crystal. And again, is this any surprise, Tether Gold? No, we've been saying gold is looking pretty good right now. And if you want to check this out for yourself, use artificial intelligence, machine learning, over 80 different indicators to pick out the best coins. There's a discounted link down in the description. Now, the big news today was the long-awaited U.S. executive order on crypto. Their federal agencies will evaluate their approach in 6 key priorities within the digital asset sector. And really, it didn't say that much other than that they want to protect the investors. They want to create the future of money, a digital dollar, a CBDC, and national security is of utmost importance, along with international cooperation. That's pretty much all that it says in that order. We knew all that stuff yesterday from the leaked documents. Now, what's going on with Bitcoin and this chart? Here, we'll get into that in just a moment. First thing worth noting is this green line here is the Bitcoin whale holdings. We can see over the past 2 weeks, it has dropped significantly. Why? I don't know. But it's worth keeping in the back of your mind because we're taking a look at some other charts that aren't as bearish as this one. They're actually bullish charts. This one right here, when the stablecoin supply ratio, this blue line, is making lower lows, Bitcoin is likely to make higher lows based on Bitcoin daily chart against stablecoin supply ratio. So we can see every time it's making these lower lows right here, well, Bitcoin is actually making higher lows. This would suggest that Bitcoin price is likely to go up. As a matter of fact, when we take a look at this chart right here, this combines a lot of the different Bitcoin floor and ceiling models. We can see that Bitcoin pretty much hovers in this white area between the orange floor and the orange ceiling. But right now where it is, it's pretty much at a floor price. And Bitcoin has rarely ever broken through these levels. So it would be unlikely that Bitcoin price is going to go down despite what whales are doing at the moment. And if we take a look on a longer time frame, we can see here how Bitcoin's just in a bunch of ascending triangles. And these ascending triangles oftentimes break out to the top. Well, they've actually done it the past 2 times in a somewhat systematic fashion that over the next time would put Bitcoin price up at roughly $120,000 as soon as it breaks out of here. And clearly it would have to break above this level here in order to get out of there. This level right there is roughly $57,500. If it breaks out of there, likely could be going up to $120,000. Which brings us to this chart here, a very curious chart, because we all know we got wicked off once, and then we got wicked off again, and we got wicked off again, and we are getting wicked off again. But I was just playing around with these bar patterns, and I found that this lines up pretty darn awesome with the 2017 bull run. Now, it's not perfect, but take a look at this V right here. Fits almost perfectly this V right here before we got wicked off. Not only that, but this right here, again, fits just right there. Take a look as I slide it in there, oh so smoothly. You can see how almost perfectly it fits. But not only that, some other things worth noting. So basically, these wick-off zones were manipulation. Ordinarily, we probably would have had a blow off top, but instead we had manipulation where some big players just make a lot of money by manipulating the markets. Now, historically, I mean, from my understanding of wick-offs, what you would do is you would actually flip this over And then that would be pretty much what it would look like normally, which would get us to about the same level, right around $160,000, where Bitcoin would have gotten had we not have gotten manipulated. But then if we take a look, when Bitcoin price came back down, look at this. It's bouncing off of this very strong line that I've had here for many months, this $56,000 area, which when Bitcoin breaks through there, that would be bullish. But it's not, because Bitcoin actually dove under there, bounced off this other line that I have here, $30,000, before it finds support along what is right now somewhat support. And again, this could all be just like speculation, hearsay, whatever. But it's very interesting how this lines up in so many places. Now, not only that, but where we are right now in this triangle, this wedge that we have right now, pretty much almost identically around July is when Bitcoin breaks out from the bottom there before we have the second peak towards November of 2022. Historically, November, December are pretty good times. And then it just goes sideways for, quite a while, like a year, 2 years, before we have a $500,000 Bitcoin in about 2024. So that being said, this could be the trend that Bitcoin is going to be taking once we're out of this sideways manipulation going on here. So that's all for today's video. I know, just a short one. If you did enjoy it, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. I'll catch you guys later. Also check out Token Metrics, link down in the description. Peace.